got done with this shoot using the world's tiniest camera. It's pretty cool. That's right, I've switched over to Sony using the new smallest system ever. Oh, you know what? This is not the right lens. Let me switch it out. That's better. You thought this was a flash photography tutorial. Little did you know it's the smallest camera ever. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It has been a minute. I missed my upload last week, dang it, but it's just been a really crazy week. Real estate is starting to pick up again, and so I'm starting to shoot a lot more houses, and we're just getting really busy. Nonetheless, I woke up this morning with one mission, and that is to create a video on something I've been wanting to for a while that some of you guys have asked about, and that is that right there. We're gonna talk about my off-camera flash system, the Magbox. The B-roll should have some some awesome rock music. The Magbox. This is their flash diffuser kit. I actually made a video on this. It's actually the most viewed video on my channel. I'll link it up below. All magnets. It is super easy to assemble. All we have to do is just put on this piece. Again, magnetic. Then, this magnetic attachment goes over your speed light, any of your flashes, just goes up here on the top. I have it paired with just my old, newer flash. It's a $60 flash that works fine for me. And that, my friends, is how you have a off-camera flash system. The thing I love about this is it uses your existing flashes that most of you already have. So you can have a friend holding this, like that, pop it off, or you can mount this on a light stand, which I'm using it to hold my light right now, so that's why I can't show you, but that is honestly how you have to get started. And then the only other thing that you need, I have to mention this because otherwise you won't be shooting. So you also just need some sort of system to communicate between your flash and your camera. This is the Godox. This is the Godox X1. So this system was really inexpensive. I think this set cost me like $80 or something like that. But basically one of these goes on top of my camera, the other one goes to the bottom of the flash, and that's how they communicate with each other. The great thing about it is you can change your settings on here instead of having to go onto the flash and then change them. Your flash could be way off somewhere. So that's really handy. You can just control the settings through here. You can have it on TTL or manual or high-speed sync, which is really awesome. And so it's a really basic set, but it works fine. Oh, okay. This is just, it's pretty big. One of my favorite things about this kit is its footprint. A lot of the times you have to, when you're using off-camera flash systems, you have to have everything in like a cart or multiple bags because it's a lot. Everything that I need for this setup fits in here. So that's pretty handy. And then this is the whole kit right here. So with this setup, I do a lot of headshots. I put this over the dance floor when I'm shooting weddings, and it's a really dark dance floor when I'm covering events. It's just really cool because it gives you that nice light that you can pop off from the side, and it gives you just a better look other than just, using your flash. So just being able to attach one of your existing flashes that you're probably already using, just mounting on top of your camera, makes it so much nicer. Pop it on, and I love that everything is magnetic. The way the flash attaches, the way the whole kit itself is magnets, so you don't have to be just popping things in and out. It's really, really simple, and it's great because I can build this kit in like 5 minutes, if that. Whenever I'm gonna do a headshot, pop it up. Putting up my backdrop takes way longer than just setting this guy up. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed, comment down your thoughts if you have an off-camera flash system and what you use, and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you guys to be a part of my channel, and I'll see you guys next week. Now, time to get to some editing.